Hello and welcome back again, my friends, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So, as you see here, the Bitcoin, what it done today, was very close to break that level here, but he couldn't. The level me I'm talking about is that one, but a lot of liquidation happening here for the people they hold in the Bitcoin or they enter in here to options. They used to be here a lot of calls, about $300 million. It's being liquidated here. So me personally, I think there is a big going up coming now because that liquidation happening here like how it happened here before. I think tomorrow, if we break in, we bottom, guys. Tell now, as you see it can tell here, tell the trend line, but he couldn't break it, as you see it. So we need to wait and more. We need to break that wage as we have here. By the way, that wage, let me show you about it, where we get it from. Because some people, they just came now, they don't know exactly where it came from. It came from here, from the top. If we break in here, we are going to go to 70k or 69k exactly here. That the first take profit, it needs to be here. So we are very close to break. People, they enter with me from 15k. All of them, they are happy now. That's the reason why me I told you, you follow professional people. There is no one in the internet give you to enter from 15k. And me I follow all of them. No one he tell you to enter from 15k. Also, we are the only channel we told you to enter from 15k. The day of FTX collapse, we told you to enter long. Look where you are now. We are very close now to break here. We need to wait and more if the break is going to happen. If not, also we still in profit. And here, what me I told you about that level here. I told you there is a very well-known wake-up pattern here. If that break will happen here, came that one here and do it like that 100% at the bottom. So till now it's need to break here. If it came a break in here, that level here 100% at the bottom here, and all those people they still believe in the Bitcoin it will go to 10k, let them to stay there. They're missing the opportunity of the life of them, and they are all of them they are going to enter from here at 20k. They will help it to go up till here, but till now it's not yet. Till now it's not yet. That was me telling you. I've been talking with you all along about those things. And here, look with me now what you got here. A very clear here cup and handle here, as you see it. You saw it or no? A very clear cup and handle here. The top of the cup it's being here is getting broke today, as you see it. Even that one is a bullish signal, but just tell here tell 32k. Even that one is a bullish signal, but me personally, here in the daily, I'm focused about the break here, and tomorrow the weekly candle is going to finish. Then we're going to see if we are going to break that level we got here or no. If we break it 100%, as we're going up, there is no one will stop it from that. And let me show you why me, I'm still believing the Bitcoin is at the bottom. Let me show you why. Here, people they been with me, I've been showing you that things thousands of times. Look at the color here, it started getting dark blue here, like how it is here. Because also we are very close to the halving cycle, and the halving cycle is going to go till here. That where is the bottom is going to go of the Bitcoin. That where you should take the profit. Over there, where is it? Is it at $500,000? Forget about all those people they telling you $1 million or something. Bitcoin is going to be here at $500,000 at 2025. As you see it here. The chart, they don't lie, and those things, they don't lie. So you need to be focused with me what I'm telling you here. Even if we zoom in like that, let's zoom it together and to see what's happening there. As you see the color over there, how it become here. You are here at that place here. It started changing from sky blue to dark blue, like here. That man also we getting closer and closer and closer, and it's going to become dark blue like that at the half of 2025. But from January now, started buying slowly by slowly to catching the big move up. That's what me have been telling you all along. It's going back now to the chart to see what is it there. So here there is nothing. It's going now to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours, here in the 4 hours. If you remember what else we said here, just the last video when I analyzed for you the Bitcoin. I told you those tails here of that candle and that candle, that my view personally, and here. When it's getting broke here, well, that view enter long. People, they haven't entered till now. Because look at it, you have here a very clear flag, and that flag is getting broke here at that zone. To get exactly the take profit for that one, what you shall do. People they been with me for some time now. What you shall do. You came from down here till here and the place where it's getting broke, you do it like that. So it's going to go till 25k. Shall you enter now? No. I'm going to tell you why no. In that video, that why me I came here to explain to you why no now. Because us, we enter from here. People they been with me, we enter from here. Exactly from here. When it's breaking here, we enter long. Over here, we been waiting. If it's going to break down, we're going to close all our long position. Here now it's breaking upward. Look at it. When it's breaking here, now it's showing it's going up more. To know exactly the take profit, you came down here like that and you do it like that. Same line, that one. You do it here. Now we are in a very stronger level. We need to wait in the market what is going to do that. And I got something. I'm going to show it to you here in that video. Let me show it to you now. Look with me here in our indicator what it's telling us here. Look here and look here in the chart. What you see? You got there a divergence. That way me I told you. People they haven't entered with us from down. Don't even thinking of to enter now. Unless if the weekly candle close. Remember that, because look what you got here. You got a very clear divergence here. Look the Bitcoin here, or our indicator tell where it reached. Look now and look that power. Unless if it came to more power and push it more than that, that's another story. That man is going to break for us the downtrend in the daily. That's another story. But now, no, there is no entry yet. Need to be careful about those things, me I'm telling you. Everything is too clear here. Let me show you our other indicator, what it's saying. The one here, it enter here to the overbought area from down here. Look where we are. Should we enter short? No, my friend, not yet. Because look where you are. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Yes or no? You saw it or no here? There is no entry yet. Unless if the market came down here and breaking that lower here. Because now it give you like here a megaphone. If the market came and breaking lower here, yes, another story. We can enter short. But now, no. Enter long, no. You need to wait in the break of the daily trend line we got here. That's what me have been talking with you all along. Enter is being from down here. If you're missing the entry from down, you don't be following us. That's what us we be here. We've been in that YouTube here when all the market is being falling down and us we being talking all along. We've been catching those small moves. Now when the big moves started, you coming very late and you want to enter. No, you are very late. You need to wait in the correction. And I want to enter here to the oversold area for you to enter long again. There is no entry from the top. Because traders, there is two types. There is traders, they wait in the opportunity when it came, they enter. And there is traders, they just follow the FOMO. They enter in always late. They enter from the top. Those ones, they will never make money. Professional traders, they enter from down here. When the break happen here, that's where they enter. If you come in now, you want to enter in the top here, you got a very stronger level. You got a daily downtrend. From there, that's so dangerous. It's need at least to break the daily downtrend for you to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet. Remember that. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet. So you need to wait in at least the weekly candle to finish. The weekly candle where is going to finish till Monday. And you need to wait in Monday correction for you to enter long. If it doesn't, there is no entry yet. Remember those things, me, I'm telling you very well. You will not be a success trader if you don't know how to time the bottom exactly. If you always try to enter late, you will never make money. And as you see it, also we're talking as the Bitcoin, it started falling down. Now we are 22,500. From 22,700, now we are 22,500. It started dropping. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what is it there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, just the last video we analyze for you the SP500 and the Nasdaq. And the last of it, I analyzed the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. What me I said here? Here, exactly in that level. What me I told you? I told you here, you used to have here a triangle is getting broke here. Although you enter from here, look where you are. And that time me I said, take profit, it need to be just here. It's bring for you the take profit. Look at it. It's bringing 100%. Look here at the daily trend line. When we touch it here, it's showing there a red candle. It's showing the market is reversing. Yes or no? So it's need at least the market to break here in the daily tomorrow. For us to enter long, it's need at least the market to break here. There is no entry yet. You saw the downtrend here, that one? That white one here, that one is the daily downtrend. If it doesn't get broke here, there is no entry. Did you see it getting broke? Look at it. The market came there. And it showed there a rejection. So maybe that one is just a manipulation of the market. But why me I don't think of is not a manipulation, because it used to be here. Big calls, a big number of calls in the options of the Bitcoin. They believe in the Bitcoin it will not go more than 22k. Look at it. All those people, they getting liquidated. Now I think the Bitcoin is going to skyrocket. It's waiting tomorrow what's going to happen, if we are going to break here or not. Yeah, now us we still in nice profit. People, they've been with us from 17k or 15k. Look where you are. You're making very, very, very decent profit now. Now should you enter short? Look with me. Same thing. That level here. You saw it here? That level here is the key. You make it like that. You got here a mega fall like that. You waiting if the market came and the reverse here is going to fall down. But if it doesn't, there is no entry short. Remember that. Maybe from here it's going to break upper here and it will go more higher than that, because that one is a continuation pattern. Megaphone is a continuation pattern. Remember those things, me, I'm telling you. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, is it here at the overbought area? Should we enter short? No. We need at least a price action here for us to enter short. If there is no price action, there is no entry short. Everything is too clear? So, that's it for that video. See you in another video. Bye for now.